Which system is followed in Meghalaya? Number C. Matrilineal system is correct answer. Which is the wettest state of India? Number A. Meghalaya is a correct answer. Which is the smallest district of Meghalaya? Number B. Southwest Garo Hills is the correct answer. What is the state code of Meghalaya? Number B. ML is correct answer. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? Number B. Clouded leopard is correct answer. What is the state flower of Meghalaya? Number B. Ladies Slaver orchid is correct answer. What is the state tree of Meghalaya? Number B. Gamhar is correct answer. Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Number A. Williamson A. Sangma is correct answer. Who was the first Governor of Meghalaya? Number C. Rajkumar Nehru is correct answer. Who was the longest serving Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Number B. Dr. Mukul Sangma is correct answer. Who was the first Indian National Congress Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Number A. Williamson A. Sangma is correct answer. Who became the 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Number B. Conrad Sangma is correct answer. How many seats does Meghalaya have in the Lok Sabha? Number C. 2 seats is correct answer. When was Meghalaya High Court established? Number C. March 2013 is correct answer. Who was the first Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court? Number A. T. Meena Kumari is correct answer. Which is the highest point in Meghalaya? Number D. Shillong Peak is correct answer. Which is the highest point in the Garo Hills? Nokrek Peak is correct answer. What is Siju Cave known as English? Number A. Bath Cave is correct answer. Thank you so much watching for video.